Good morning, students. Today we will write the textbook part and workbook part of chapter 5. So open page number 29. Tick the correct option. Mother Teresa's real name was Agnes Gonsha Bojansia Shirley. Among these, what was the real name? Option 1, right? So give tick mark to option 1. Who helped Mother Teresa when she arrived in Kolkata? Can you tell who helped? Yes, your answer is right. Who helped? Option 1C, an old man. Option 2, a priest. Option 3, an old woman. So answer is a priest. In which year was Mother Teresa awarded the Nobel Peace Prize? Option 1, 1980. Option 2, 1990. Option 3, 1979. So the answer is third option, 1979. Tick mark. Who is called the Florence Nightingale of India? Option 1, Mother Teresa. Option 2, Nirmala. Option 3, Madame Curie. So, who is known as Nightingale? Mother Teresa. Option 1, tick mark. Write T for true and F for false statements. Mother Teresa was born on August 26, 1950. This statement is true or false? Yes, this is false. So write F. Mother Teresa served sick and poor people. Is this true? Yes, this statement is right. So we have to write T. Mother Teresa nursed sick people. True or false? Yes, it is a true statement. So write T. She received the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Peace in 1972. Is this right? Yes, it is correct. So give T. Okay. Then match the following words with their same meaning. So we have to match with the same meaning. Aim. Aim, same meaning. What? Goal, no? Aim means goal. So we have to write C here. Next, dedicated. Dedicated, see? Dedicated. Devoted, right? So write E. Next, downtrodden. 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 What? Yes, oppressed. Write A. Dignity. Dignity. Honor, right? So write B. And sympathy. Sympathy. One is missing. What? Empathy. D. Okay, students. Now make new words by adding these letters. So we have to add these letters and make new words. Okay, here the blanks. In the blanks we have to write the letter. Related letters. Okay. See, what is the first one? Which letter we have to add? See, O-T-H-E-R. What? E-C. Mother, right? So write M. Next, E-V-E-R. N-E-V-E-R. Never, right? And next one? Yes, small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Next one? Award. A-W ARD award. And next, yes, what? Yes, she, SHE, she. And next, yes, away. Okay. And turn the next page. This all we have to write in the practice book. Why? Because no space given here. So open your practice book. Okay. Rewrite these sentences using note at appropriate place. Okay. We have to write the negative form. Okay. One example, see, you had been playing cricket since 2005. So, you had not been playing, negative form. Okay. Cricket since 2005. We have to write the negative form. Okay. I had been working hard for 5 months. Yes, I had been. This is positive. So we have to write the negative form. Yes, tell me, how can we write? Yes, I had not. I had, HAD, had not been, BEEN, been working, WORKING, working hard, 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 for, 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 5, FIV, 5 months, MONTH, yes, full stop. So see here students, I had been, we changed into had not we added, right? So like that everything we have to write. We had been visiting him since 2008. How can we write? We had not been, BEEN, been visiting, remaining all same, VISITING, visiting him, 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 since, SINCE, since 2008. Okay, and give full stop. Next, they had been playing games since afternoon. So we have to write the negative form. They had not been, BEEN, been playing, PLAYING, playing games, very easy, GAMES, games, since, 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 afternoon, AFTRNOON, afternoon, full stop. Next, it had been raining for 1 hour. Can we write? Yes, it had not been, not been raining, RAINING, raining for 1 hour, 1 HOUR, full stop. Next, you had been watching movies since yesterday morning. Shall we write? Okay. You had, very easy. Near had we have to write the negative form. You had been means it is positive sentence. We have to write the negative form. You had not been watching, watching, watching movies, movies. Very easy. Remaining all as it is. Movies, since, since. Yesterday, yesterday. Yesterday, morning, morning. Full stop. Next. She had been teaching in school for 1 year. She had, she had, near had what? Not been teaching, 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 everything as it is, in school, school, for 1 year, year, full stop. Next, Hemant had been doing his projects since morning. Right? Hemant had not been, everything as it is, only we added not. Doing, doing, doing his project, projects, since, since morning, morning, morning. Okay. Fill in the blanks by using since and for. Okay. They had been living in Kolkata, 1980. What we have to write? Yes. This we can write in the textbook. Okay. What we have to write here? Yes. Since. Since. The children had been playing 2 hours. Yes. Tell me. Yes. 4. 2 hours. Since where we have to use? We have to use since for many years ago. Okay. Now 4 means what? Recently it happened. So for 2 hours. Next. She had been dancing the last 4 hours. What we have to use? Recently, last 4 hours. So 4. FOR 4. Next, I had been writing the book 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours is nearby. 4. FOR 4. Next, she had been looking after these children 4 years. So, what we have to write? 4. FOR 4. 4 years. Okay. I had been waiting for him 10:30 a.m. Yes, from since, since 10:30 a.m. Okay, students. Okay, here you can stick the picture of Mother Teresa and write your own. I won't tell anything. You can write your own. Okay, at least you write 5 sentences. See how many they told. They didn't give the numbers. So you can write your own about Mother Teresa. Okay, it's yours. You have to do it yourself. Okay, students. And now open the practice book again. Take page number 20. Write opposites for the following. Difference. Difference opposite is Similarity. What? Similarity. S-I-M-I-L-A-R-I-T-Y. Similarity. Next see selfish. Selfish opposite is generous. G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. Generous. Next criticize. Criticize means praise. P-R-A-I-S-E. Praise. Proud. Ashamed. A-S-H-A-M-E-D. And now fill in the blanks. Missing letters. Compassion. Compassion spelling C-O-M-P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Compassion. You have to fill this. Okay. Sympathy. S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-Y. Sympathy. Okay. S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-Y. Sympathy. Next. Downtrodden. Down spelling D-O-W-N. Down. Trodden. T-R-O-D-D-E-N. Trodden. Okay. Next. Generous. G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. Generous. G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. Generous. Various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various. Next. Shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. Okay, students, everything you have to complete. Everything you have to complete. Then only we can complete the lesson. One more thing that we have to write, that is some questions are here in the practice book. See students, the same page. See, when was Mother Teresa born? When was Mother Teresa born? Yes, on, write down, on 26th. On 26th. Tell me. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August 1910. Okay. Full stop. In which year Mother Teresa was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize? Which year, students? Yes, in 1979. Okay. In which year Mother Teresa was awarded with the Bharat Ratna? In 1980, right? 1980 she was awarded for a Bharat Ratna. When did Mother Teresa passed away? When she passed away? On 5/9/1997. Okay, students. So write everything and send to me in the WhatsApp group. Have a nice day, students.